Hey, credit repair business owners, let me guess. You're stuck relying on social media posts and random referrals to grow your business. You're tired of chasing clients just to keep the lights on. And on top of that, you're stuck relying on social media posts and random referrals to grow your business. Sounds familiar? Well, what if I tell you there's a better way? The problem isn't that you're charging too much. The problem is you're not attracting the right qualified prospects that's able to afford your services. In this video, I'm walking you through a proven strategy that helped one of my students get clients to pay them $1,800 up front without relying on payment plans. And guess what? It's the same strategy that can help you attract high paying, quality clients who are ready to invest in your services. Let's dive in. What's the most you've made in your credit repair business in a month?
The most right now, I'm at 10K, but that
Okay.
10K is broke up in the 4 months. So June, July, August, September, October. Yeah. So there's
Okay.
that 10K broke up in them 4 months. I put a lot of people on payment plans instead of
Right.
like getting a whole thing.
The problem with that is payment plans. So that's number one. Number two is the reason you're putting people on payment plans is because they don't have the financial resources. Would you agree?
What I charge is 500. And my mentor told me I need to go up because I do a lot of stuff for them.
Okay, so let me show you how to do anywhere between 1,800 to 3,000 and they're actually paying for. All right, that is
Okay.
what I'll be teaching right now. Let's say from this day to the next month, you do everything I tell you, and your goal
Okay.
is to make $10,000,
And then charge them 800.
1,800. Right.
Okay.
So this is a client. They've been doing credit repair. I taught them this, and then they switched it all up. All right. So their target market is veteran business owners with less than a perfect credit score. Okay. The reason we need to choose a target audience is because we got to make sure that the people that we're attracting actually have the financial resources to pay for the service. So that's why it's so important that you have to choose a niche specific audience to target for your credit repair offer. We had ads that said, hey, if you're a veteran business owner with less than a perfect credit score, we have this program that you might be eligible for. Check your eligibility. So with our Facebook ads, we did targeting where we're only finding veteran business owners. And then we had an ad that said, if you're a veteran business owner that's looking to grow, but you got less than a perfect credit score, see if you're eligible for our program. Spend about $20 a day on average, right? So they come to this page right here. So 45% of people that go to this page fill out their information. So every time we build out these funnels, you're getting a 45 to 50% opt-in rate, which means that that's how many people actually put in their information. Out of 500 people, 225 people are going to fill this qualification survey out. And this is what that looks like. So this is the first part. This is going to filter out the people that's broke and not broke. You know, they're a veteran business owner. This could be a barbershop business owner. This could be a med spa business owner. And the thing is, all of them have less than perfect credit because they actually clicked on it and filled this out, right? So then they go in, they put in how long have you been a business owner? They're like 4 years. They're like, what state do you live in? They'll even let you know their state, 400 or 500 credit score. All right. They'll say I got repos, inquiries, all that kind of stuff. They'll say what they're trying to do, which is, let's say they're trying to secure a business loan. And yes, I will answer the phone. All right. And then they put in their information. Now your system's already set up. So what's supposed to happen? As soon as they do that, you already get a notification. You get a text message or email, both, that you got to leave. Okay. And you're right here. And then you just did this stage right here. Now the second stage is they're going to have to book an appointment. When you're inside the system, you get access with everything already built out, so no technical stuff. So this is exactly what it would look like on that back end. You would have all the information right here. This is going on 24/7 while you're asleep, while you're up. Let's say that you don't have time to reach out to them. So what's going to happen is, say like something happened, they didn't book the appointment. It's all good. Boom. Go ahead and check your messages.
That's dope. Look, I got the text message.
Go ahead and reply.
The text part, this is what we would do when we can't hop on a call. Because I'm in nursing school too. So let's say somebody book a call while I'm in class. So then I can do the text follow up.
They can only book a call on your available dates. So
Oh,
the available dates that you can get the call booked. So this is the second part that we're talking about is the booking the appointment. All right. So the AI is going to book the appointment for you with that client, and it's going to follow up with that client, So like while you're in school or while you're doing whatever, if they don't book an appointment, they're like, hey, I saw you wanted to do this. Do you want to book an appointment? And it's going to do it for you until they book an appointment. Now that's the second part. Okay, cool. Now this is where the magic comes from. So this is what it looks like a month. Spending $20 a day, 225 leads actually come in, fill that information in. And out of those 225 leads, 180 are going to book an appointment in that month. So when you do that, that's about 6 appointments a day. But the thing is, you're going to still have some bullshitters. Out of those people, how we filter out the bullshitters is that now when they book an appointment, you schedule an appointment, but it's not confirmed. To confirm that appointment, we're going to need to see your credit report. And the only way we can see your credit report is if you fill out one of these links, and then you got to submit the information back to us. And this is the system's going to send them a link. You see this? You see this page right here?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So they're going to click here. Now this is where you get paid before you even talk to them. All right. So they're going to click here. It's a video instructions on how to do it. These are going to be your already affiliate links. So every time someone comes here and fills this out, you get $25 that goes to your bank account. They're going to fill that in right here, and then it's going to pop up on your side. So every time you get that, you know you just made $25, okay? So with that being said, that's without ever talking to them, we see a 15% conversion and people do it automatically. But you want to just call them and follow up and guide them through that process. Out of them 180 people that scheduled appointment, only 27 is going to do that. So off top, you made $675, okay? Now you have 27 appointments in 30 days. Now, out of those 27 appointments, because they did all this, they're super qualified, that they don't have any problem popping on a call like this Zoom call. People like to know who they're spending money with. So out of that, you're going to have 25 calls, and your job is just to close 7 out of those 24 highly qualified people, and that's seven people, and that's 12,000 a month, and that's how you make your 12,000 a month on a consistent basis. And then you didn't spend any money because it only takes about $600 on ads that whole month. So that's what I teach inside that course. So the biggest steps here is, number one, you have to understand your niche audience. So you get to choose your niche audience. So instead of just having random people come to you, you choose the type of people that come to you. This could be truck drivers with less than perfect credit scores, med spa business owners with less than perfect scores, barbershop business owners with less than perfect scores.
I can't believe I've been having this and have not been using it.
Therefore, you never spend money on Facebook ads at all because it comes back and then you get some extra money.
I will go to like webinars and people talk. They'll put this information out, but when we get to the webinar, they don't talk about none of this stuff. They always talk about like what they did and how they got there instead of actually showing us what we paid to get in that webinar for.